No, but you do pay for the house for your ex-wife and her boyfriend. You're doing it, so you are paying for that.
Oh, hey YouTube, this is JC Shazam1 today, and as you seen, I just showed you my iPod. The app is called Subtrate. Okay, it's SUBTRATE. It's called Subtrate, and it's a new app. The search on the search box in the App Store, Subtrate. Okay, I'm not here for that. Okay, a new topic is about the iPod Touch 4.1 software. Okay, it's like if you have an iPod Touch second generation, please don't download the 4.1 software. You just have better mail, better internet service. It's like boring. You don't know why? Okay, just go to YouTube. Just go to apple.com. Search. If you go to apple.com, you will see a 4.1 software, and just click it and scroll down, and you'll see how boring it is. Okay. Okay, the 4.1 software has better mail, better everything. Okay, I'm gonna make a new video of Ask JC. Okay, I think I'm gonna download make a video of Ask JC. Okay, that's it for now. This is JC Shazam13, and I'm gonna roll it off with a new song. The song is made by, okay, I don't know, because my friend told it to me. The song is called I Like It. Okay, bye. Oh,